Hello friends. So in this video I am going to show you how to mount your EC2 instance to S3 buckets. Okay. So here I am going to know how to mount your Linux machine to S3 bucket, which is very important, right? Definitely interviewer asks the question how you can mount a bucket. So here, suppose that this is your EC2 instance and you will go to the your console section and you will launch your EC2 instance, and this is your S3 bucket and created your bucket. So how you can mount your bucket? Already we have discussed in the IEM how we can communicate two different service through S3 EC2 or S3 bucket. So this is your EC2 instance, okay, and this is your S3 bucket. So first of all, friends, you will have to install the dependencies of this S3 bucket. So first you will go to the console section, launch EC2 instance and access your instance on the CMD or terminal. Okay, so come on the terminals section and see my EC2 instance, two machine my running here. So I access this Linux machine. Okay, so Linux as machine, and this is launch and t2.micro, and this is availability zone. So I already access on CMD. Okay, so how you can mount S3 bucket, okay, in Linux machine? So definitely we'll have to use the packages. Everything, every step is available on Google. So first of all, you will have to check which S3 FS package is installed or not. So friends, here you can see the package is not installed. Definitely. So how you can install? Definitely go inside the Google section and found how to mount S3 to EC2 instance. You have a multiples option. So found this link and multiple step you have, you can follow, no problem, right? So definitely you can use this step to mount your EC2 instance S3 bucket. So first you will have to use this update. If you launch your Ubuntu, so we'll have to use this command, right? So I am going to copy yum update all and go to the console a yum update, and after that you will have to use this install the dependencies. So I'm logged into the root, so just copy from this level and in centos or redhat, so you can use this command. So already my Linux machine, so now hit enter. So it is going to install. Then further you will have to use the clone. So make sure clone is important to s3fs source code. So I'm going to copy and again paste here, then hit enter. So git clone http github is not found. One more time, you install this or not, then copy again this. Now yes. So I hit enter, so maybe that's the reason not install the package properly. So after install we will install the git clone. Just wait. Done. Now use your command git clone, hit enter. It is going to install. Done. Then further use the command. If you are using Ubuntu Debian, you will have to use this command. So this is done, and friends, now change the source code delivery, compile and install the code of the following command. Just follow these steps and hit. Now again use this command to auto gnsh, copy. Then next you will have to follow this configure. Done. Then paste here, and next step is make and make install. Okay, now right here and manually make And after done this, you can write make install. So it's very simple. One time, two time when you will do, so easily you can do this task. Now use another command, make install, hit enter, done. Now further you will have to use the below command, which s3fs, if package is installed, definitely it will show on below, and hit enter. So win s3fs, our package is installed. Now friends, now few step is required more here. So getting access key and secret key. So yeah, required your access key and secret key. So make sure when you are working on production environment, so you have required not the root user access key or secret key. The access key and secret key required your particular IAM user. But in this video I'm going to show on root user access key and secret key, right? So you can easily manage user permission IAM. You can create IAM user, you can generate access key and secret key, then you can use this, right? So here, go to the below section, create new file. So just you can copy this syntax. So I'm going to create a file, touch etc passwd and s3fs. Copy, then paste, yeah, touch. Then after that vim go inside this, and you will have to require your access key and secret key, paste. Now friends, here you will have to copy your access key and secret key. So go to your root account, and I'm going to taking here access key and secret key. So go to the access key. So already two key generated, you can delete one key, then copy, then paste here and delete. Now you can generate new access key, show here, copy, and go to your terminal, and here go in insert mode. Okay, so now I'm going to paste, sorry. Now make sure there space should be not, okay. So now use colon, and another here use secret key, control copy and control paste, then skip, shift colon double and exit. Now here you will have to give the ch mode. Why? Now come to the section, this is your access key and secret key, just follow this syntax. Now change the permission to the file. So directly you can copy and can give the permission ch mode 640, the honor group and others permission. If you don't know Linux, definitely you will have to learn the Linux first. And just I'm going to copy and paste. Now next step you will have to follow, bucket name without dot. So you can create your folder, or you can mount one things. Second things, you can use directly bucket name. Okay, so I have to mount, I will mount in the mnt directory, and your use this syntax s3fs and your bucket name hyphen o and further syntax. Okay, so I am going to use here s3fs and my bucket name. So go to the console section, find out which bucket you want to mount. Okay, so go to the s3. Yeah, so I have two buckets, s3 bucket and this. So I want mount this bucket and vpn bucket 453. You can copy this bucket, control copy, go to the cmd section and your location of the bucket, vpn bucket. And friends, here you need to give the path. hyphen o, sorry, where you want mount. So I want this bucket mnt, and use hyphen o. And further you will have to give the next step pass wd and use underscore. You can write this command, or you can find on the google, right, this syntax. And underscore file, and then you will have to give the path your file name. So is equals to slash etc slash pass wd and s3fs, right? We have created this. You can see this etc pass wd in s3fs. So friends, now I'm going to hit enter. Now check df hyphen h. So this is mounted, right? This is mounted. So you can go inside the mnt directory, or you can use here AWS s3ls. So easily you can see your bucket. Unable to credential. So go, bucket is mounted. Go to the mnt directory ls. Okay, so in this bucket one data is uploaded, right? So I am going to use touch command, and I'm going to create some files. So definitely data will be uploaded in this bucket. Which bucket? This bucket. So already one data is available. So you can go to the console section, go there. There is one file available, right? So I am going to upload data here via touch command, triple s, and 1 dash dash 20 file I am going to create. Done. It is going to take time. Created. Now go to the console section and refresh one more time. So data is uploaded, right? So this is the way how to mount your s3 bucket on linux machine. Similarly you can do this on windows, different way. Already we have done this, right? So in this video, I'm going to thanks friends how to mount S3 bucket. You will have to follow all these steps here. Okay, this is the step you can follow, no problem. Just you will have to check all these commands. Okay, it's a simple. You can use this syntax. Okay, S3fs your bucket name mnt directory already. You can create new directory and hyphen o pass wd underscore file is equals to your file name, right? So this syntax you will have to know. So after mounted, you can do your task, right? So thank you in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.